Yo, what up guys? Welcome back to Patched.
And today we are going over the Glorious Pro Gaming Mousepad GXXL.
Yeah.
Very long name. We're just going to refer to it as the Double XL for now.
That's what this size is.
That's what size we got.
Yeah.
Which is 16 by 36. This is a big boy.
So literally 1.5 feet by 3 feet, and this is huge. You should get the triple XL, dude.
Dude, this is like as big as I'd go.
They have
their sizes.
They have a triple XL, which is 4 feet by like 2 feet or something like that. It was insane. That's a huge mouse pad. I don't know why you would ever need that.
Mm-hmm.
But I guess if you have a need, then why not make it, right?
Yep, for sure.
So it comes in 3 colors. Lucas got the white version. So it's a white mouse pad, and then you have black stitches and a black logo. So I got a black mouse pad, black stitching, and black or white logo, and then there's a stealth one where everything is black. So if you don't want like to show the logo or anything, which is cool,
And then it comes in 6 different sizes.
So I think most people will probably just want to get the XL or the XL extended, right? So the XL is 16 by 18, and then the XL extended is 14 by 24 inches. So I think that's probably like the normal,
because the XL is still going to be like a square mouse pad that you put to the side of your keyboard.
Yes.
Whereas the extended versions and anything past sort of the extended is going to be your keyboard and your mouse on there.
Yes.
Because it's just far extended horizontally, essentially.
Yeah. I mean, this is huge, guys.
It's big.
This is very big. I kind of like it, So let's go over the bottom first. So the bottom, it's a rubberized material, and it's not moving.
It doesn't go anywhere.
Exactly, and especially with this much surface area and like all your your keyboard and whatnot on it, it's not gonna move. So you'll be fine. It is fairly thick.
Yeah, this one was actually like, it's nice because it was heavy enough that when it was rolled up in the box, when I unrolled it, I didn't need to like put books on the corners or anything like that, It just flattened right out.
Yeah.
So that was nice.
Also, another nice thing is the stitching on the sides. Like, for example, my Xiaomi Divina mouse pad, right? It has nothing. It doesn't have any stitching or anything, right? So I've been using it, and on the bottom of my mouse pad, it's fraying a little bit. It's coming off because like like your wrist or your arm, your forearm's always constantly going like this, and like rubs against it and kind of frays it a little bit, and then it kind of comes up.
Yeah.
So this stitching will prevent that, which is very nice because that's been happening to my other mouse pad. So you won't have any durability issues with that. And then the actual cloth, I would say it's around average. It's not super fast or anything, but you feel in control.
Yeah, it's super controlled, I would say. It's definitely a tighter weave than like your standard mouse pad, which is, again, that's the difference between a regular office mouse pad and a gaming one. It's a tighter weave so that it holds up when you're dragging the mouse across it all day long. That's essentially the main difference there. Yeah. And it feels good. It feels solid.
So let's take a look at the G Pro Wireless right here. So you just have your regular stock skates on this, right? So I mean, it's pretty fast, but it's pretty much the same as my Divina or like my Logitech mouse pad, nothing too crazy. So like if you like a cloth mouse pad that you want a little bit more control over, then this is it. This is a great mouse pad. Also, you guys are probably wondering about the white, because I was like, white, I don't know, but like, did you have any issues about this?
That was the thing, because my entire desk is a mouse pad, as we talked about before. So I had to put this on top of it, and then I had literally, my monitor was sitting on top of this, like the stand for my monitor got on the edge of this, and then I had my mixer on here, I had my keyboard and my mouse, and my arm was on. I didn't notice anything. I mean, there's not
nothing.
There's not a spot of dirt on this thing.
Yeah, it's not like there's no black or any stains or anything. If you want a white mouse pad but you were worrying about it getting dirty, then it should be fine. Obviously, like over time, it'll probably blacken up a little bit. It is machine washable,
and there's plenty of tutorials out there on how to clean your mouse pad and stuff like that. So we're not gonna beat that horse. It's already been beaten till it's dead, and that's essentially.
Yeah, and as far as the foam goes, it is kind of thick. But as far as like the cushion, it's pretty firm. It's not as soft as like my Divina and my other mouse pads, so not as much like give in it. So it all depends on what you like. But anyways, that's it. That's the review of the Glorious mouse pad. Like, you can get whatever size and color you want. They're pretty much all the same. If you guys want to get it, we'll leave links below. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys next one.
See you in the next one.